Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today we're going to be harvesting some rhubarb and some other herbs. Stay tuned. All right, so we're going to just start with some herbs. So here I have some mint. This is called pineapple mint. So I'm just going to come in and grab a couple of these off of here so we can make a nice little tea. Out of that, I'm going to grab some parsley just to keep this stuff growing. So we got parsley over on that side, and then this basil is going. So a lot of this, like the siam and the cinnamon basil, I'm growing a lot of that for bouquets, and so I'm going to leave it and let it go to flower. So all parsley. So we're just going to kind of come in and cut it back a bit. Right, Dex? That'll help it keep putting on new growth. This one's looking a little weird. I'm gonna leave that one. It's looking a little brown. All right. I don't think we have anything over here. Ooh, this lettuce. We're gonna have to harvest this lettuce soon. Not today though. We got a lot more lettuce coming up there. It's doing really well. Look at these beans. They're going crazy. Oh my goodness. I didn't think the beans would outgrow the peas. They've been in there for months. That's exciting. Cucumbers are doing good. All right. Coming out here. What is this? It just bolted. It's gonna bloom. It almost looks like broccoli. I don't remember putting broccoli there. I must have. Oh, come on, get some broccoli. All right, and then we're gonna. Oh my goodness! Look at this. This parsley is getting out of control. So we're gonna cut this way back. This is the one that overwintered. I can't believe how well it's done. So that's doing really good. This dill, we're just going to cut this down all the way down here because it's not supposed to be growing there. Okay, don't be eating my herbs. This chervil is going bananas, but we're going to grab this cilantro first because it's on this side. Just coming in and giving a nice good prune. And then just going to gather my chervil and just come in, and we're just going to hack it all out. So some of this I'll probably make I might actually make a bit of like a pesto with this because it does kind of taste like basil to me. So, part of the reason I'm doing this is to give some more light here to my plants. Oh my goodness, I found the eggplant. Remember my mystery eggplant? I couldn't figure out where I put it. Oh, I put it in this bed. That's why I couldn't tell. Look at this right here. Do you see that? It's going to be the orange or whatever it's called eggplant. So this is where the eggplants are. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Okay, and we're pulling out this morning glory. We do not want that in here. And this dill, I'm going to leave it just in case a monarch comes in. I mean, not a monarch, but a black swallowtail. That's what it's called. They have a nice peppery flavor. And Slava over at Kitchen Garden Therapy just showed a recipe where she made dolmas out of them. So like instead of stuffed grape leaves, she used nasturtium leaves, which is pretty cool. They're gonna be spicier than regular grape leaves. I'm just gonna have a couple of those. I'm gonna grab these because this is getting crazy. Oh, it's gonna go to seed. You know what? I'm gonna let it go to seed because I love using dill seed as well. So we're just gonna cut back some of this. So this is all cilantro. I will sort them when I get in the house after I wash them off. Okay, so we're gonna weigh it. It is 273 grams. So we will be doing math later after the harvest. And the total is 470. So we'll do the math later. Now let's go harvest some rhubarb. Now let's go harvest some rhubarb. Let's go! I need a new videographer. Let's go. You gonna show her the way, Dex? Let's show her the way. Come on. Oh, really? You're lined up? You're lined up. All right. There we go. Where's the rhubarb, buddy? You know where the rhubarb is? Oh, look at my sad peonies. Show them the sad peonies. Show the people the sad peonies. That's what happens when you don't have a peony ring and it rains for several days. All right. Ooh, my skinny.
No clue what I'm showing.
Okay. Okay, great. You're not allowed to bum shop. Come. Not you. I meant the videographer, not you. Okay, so we're just gonna come in and start.
Do you want me to film what you're doing?
Yeah. We're just gonna come in and start grabbing some big pieces of rhubarb. Isn't that beautiful? And you want to pull them out, you don't want to cut them. Because when you pull it out, it signals to the plant to grow more. First year you're growing, you don't want to pull out too much. You always want to leave about a third. Grab it. So I'm going to leave the rest because they're all kind of small on that plant. This is my...
I can't hold on to...
Can you set them on the... Can you balance them across the...
Oh, on what?
Okay.
Oh, this?
Careful.
Well, that's
Careful. Okay,
really stable.
back to the rhubarb. Here we go. This one's the much bigger patch. I've had this one for years, probably 15 years, I would guess. And it's still, I still see new ones coming up out of the ground. What, Dex? What is this problem?
That's too much, Mama.
Sturdy stuff.
Dexter, get in the shot. Just wait.
And of course, you can read. Okay. Now,
Tear.
913.
Tear.
Tear. Oh, okay.
0.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna have to move it away. Still floating? Here, hold on. Let me balance it a little better. So you're all gonna have to take my word for it. It's 27.51. 27.51.
Well, it's starting to rain.
Ooh, good timing. Now keep in mind, you do not want to eat the greens off of a rhubarb plant are toxic. So you don't want to be eaten. We'll just get rid of those.
Dexter, stop.
Okay, and now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're rooting for Team Will It Grow, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.